ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress harangkat ka jinge trailang bat ke Indian Youth Congress kila sedang syat-syat nado mentakasngi ban Pynrung Dkhot yaki Samla hapo ke parti Congress. Haba keren sekilat patai kubor kinongelam jong ke Indian Youth Congress kiba wana nong ba Delhi kiliyat ho bagani ka jing Pynrung Dkhot kadai ka bala jule man la ka line e sausnem habala dai ka por banjit yaki nongkit kam bathamai jongka. Haba keli kiliyat ho ban ka por sa ka por ki Samla Congress ki jumi sa surok ban peni yaki kam jongki lani ban persya yaki kam ki baka sarkar kale ki bakta yaki pajba hanrai nado bawan link shop ka khlam jingpang COVID-19 kim shim layo lat ban mi sa surok ban persya kum ka jing keudor jong ka petrol bat diesel bat kiwai pat kimat.
Today we are going to launch the membership of Indian Youth Congress of Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress here. This membership is basically to enroll the youth of the state in Congress party. There are certain norms, certain rules which we'll be describing in details. There is an age limit of 18 to 35 years. So anybody who is under 35 and willing to be a part of the Indian Youth Congress or Indian National Congress can enroll him or herself in the organization. This entire process will happen through an app. We name it as IYC app, which you can go through the Play Store, you can download it from the Play Store, and the entire process is there which anyone can fill it up and become a member. The basic thing I want to tell you is earlier it was per person. We used to take the membership fees was different. Now per person, anybody enrolling here, it will be 50 rupees followed by 10 other members. That means the membership of 10 members is equal to 50 rupees. This 50 rupees will be taking for active members, one active member followed by 10 other primary members. And this active member will have the voting rights. The primary member doesn't have the voting rights. This is the basic difference we are having. If you want to lead the state, if you want to do something for your state, because I believe youth are the future of the country. So without youth, we cannot reach, we cannot lead the country. So it's my request to each and every youth of this entire Meghalaya to join us, to be a member of Youth Congress and help join our hands to lead the state towards the future.
Anyone who is between 18 and 35 years of age and a citizen of India can join Youth Congress. And that person shouldn't have any criminal records and he should not be part of any other political party. And we have a cut-off date of birth for the membership. It is 30th October 1985 to 31st December 2003. Anyone who is born on or between these dates can be a member of the IYC. So there will be there will be 3 levels of committee: state, district and assembly. And nomination will be for state president, there will be separate nomination, and state general secretary there will be separate nomination. And the state president committee will be comprising of 6 members. 1 president and 5 vice presidents. And state general secretary committee size will be 28. And district committee will be 24 and assembly committee will be 24. And any person who got the highest votes in any category will become the president. All this process should be through the app, and even the payment, free payment, everything should be done through the app. And the dates today we are launching this membership and election process. However, the nomination start on 30th October. 30th October to 5th November will be the nomination dates. And anyone who is having any complaint on the nomination can give the complaint through the app from 31st October to 6th November. And after hearing the complaints and seeing the scrutinizing, we will finalize the nomination and publish it on 8th November. Then membership will start from 12th November to 12th December. While doing the membership, while doing the active membership, they can prefer their candidate for each category. In that way, who is getting the highest will become the president. And the fee for nomination is for assembly it's 1,500 rupees, and subsidized fee is 1,000 rupees, and for district 3,000, subsidized 1,500, state committee 7,500 and subsidized 4,000. And this subsidy is for SC/ST candidates, women and BPL candidates. Also, there is a one person, one post criteria. So if any of these persons who is giving nomination should resign from any other party post. Also, there is a 12.5% reservation for SC/ST for district presidency. That means 12.5% of the total districts. In Meghalaya, there are 11 districts, so 12.5 will be 1.3 or something. So there will be one district that will be reserved for SC/ST candidate. So for that, we will take a draw here, and whichever district is coming up in the draw will be reserved for the SC/ST. Presidency will be reserved for the SC/ST candidate.
It's not like that. We actually have a tenure of 3 to 4 years every year of Youth Congress. So every 3 to 4 years, it gets reshuffled. So I think Congress is not in a bad shape. It's just, in any tribal state, it's just before 6 months or 1 year before the election, the organization revives. It's in any tribal state. It's not only about in Meghalaya. So Congress is very much active, and I believe we have given power as a PCC president in a very good person's hand. Congress will definitely revive, and in coming days we will form government here. See, that depends. Maybe people, they are thinking they are selfish. They are not thinking about the organization. I must say that the party who have given you so much, just because now today if party is little weak, rather than supporting, you are going to other party, joining hands with others. That means you are greedy, you are selfish. That's what I can say. See, it's not like that. The scenario is due to COVID. We cannot do anything publicly, any public meetings or protests. Even we have turned the entire membership into online so that nobody have to do any physical meeting. So due to COVID, maybe because of that you have not seen, but it is, Youth Congress is everywhere. We are having by-elections. Our people are working everywhere in every constituencies wherever we are having. If you go to Garo Hills, if you go to Shillong also, you will see our members. They are working. It has nothing to do with the bypolls only. Congress is always active, and you will see Congress reviving in coming days. You will see it. So after 8th, we will start the membership.
Membership from 12th November to
12th November to
12th December.
12th December. So within that only, along with membership only, we are doing the voting. There is no separate elections happening. So whenever you go and enroll yourself in the system, there is an option of 4 votes. Let's say I am an active member and I get an opportunity to vote 4 people in 4 different levels. 1 president, 1 general secretary in the state, 1 DYC president, that is District Youth Congress, and 1 Assembly Youth Congress. So one person can vote or choose 4 people in 4 different levels. Taken any target, but giving an example of our nearby state, which we have just ended in Arunachal today, and we all know Arunachal also, Congress doesn't have much MLAs. We have hardly 3 MLAs in Arunachal, but we have completed 1 lakh membership in Arunachal. Meghalaya, we are in very good shape. We have very good leaders and active Youth Congress here. So I believe we will cross 1 lakh, more than that maybe.
First, people has to express who wants to be a president, a secretary. Then the nomination will carry on, and then the enrollment drive will carry on. So during the enrollment drive, people have a chance to opt who should be a president or choose who to be the president and all. So the system is quite fair, and the people who wants to be a president has to enroll maximum. And regarding the target, what you have said, I think we'll have the maximum what we can. But I think during the process, whoever I think we'll try to see that the maximum youth should be there. At least according to me, we target at least 30% of the voters should be the youth. So we'll try to see we have a target of 30%. That will be in the process. We cannot do it within these 3-4 months, but by the election comes, I think we should have at least 30% of the youth. This is what we are planning to do, and the rest, because this is a new system, a new design based on the last time was a different, based on the experience which the Youth Congress has in the past, I think we designed it is quite friendly and quite pragmatic also, I think. So we are here, Pramodji, to guide us, Sarifa to guide us, and our youth, definitely you have seen because of COVID, we were not very active in protests on anything, be it in price rise, be it in law and order, be it anything. But Congress being a disciplined party, we always try to follow the protocols. But definitely with the system in place, and also the environment will be quite conducive for us, we definitely will take all the issues along with the Youth Congress.